Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye.
This was the one I was most excited about, but I think there might have been a little too much bleed through on it.
Yeah, maybe. The first side of this one looked really cool. As you notice, we're all inside today because it's so cold, people. We're trying to get it all good and rinsed out first there inside, and then we'll start banding it. We're just going to do the whole process inside because it's so cold outside. There's actively sleet falling from the sky. Just gonna get it good and rinsed out in here. Some cool water. Then we're gonna swap over to some warmer water and get it knocked on out. This one here, when we dyed the first side of it, it looked really good. But then apparently when we turned it over and let it sit, maybe due to the temperature as well, might have got a little too much bleed through. What do you think?
I don't know.
Definitely got some good coverage.
I think we just need to add super clear into our stuff so it doesn't bleed as bad.
Yeah, there's a lot of deep color on this too, you know.
I don't know, I guess let's see how it looks when we
get it unbanded. Now that it's starting to thaw out a little bit, it was literally frozen. What you think?
I don't know.
Those gloves too big?
Yeah, way too big.
Yeah. The only ones they had. I got some mediums for you though, don't worry. They're just vinyl. They'll do fine for tie-dye. That's what we include in our tie-dye kits anyways, because we don't like to put latex in there, and we could find nitrile when we first put the kits together. Look at that beautiful shirt. Even if it did have a lot of bleed through, it still looks pretty good to me.
I don't know, we'll see. It always looks different when it's rinsed out.
Yep.
So, what it looks like when you dye it isn't what it looks like when you wash it out, and that's not what it looks like after you put it through the washing machine. So.
Nope. Not even close. Let's see what we got. Ooh. I like that. You don't like that?
Like I said, we'll just see what it looks like when it's all rinsed out.
Alright. I think it looks cool.
I just definitely think we need to add some super clear for sure.
Yeah. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. That came out pretty good. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice striations all the way across both sleeves. It's such a large shirt, it's even hard to see all of it, but yeah, look at that. Good patterns all the way down. Decent gradient. The camera doesn't really do it justice, and the wife doesn't really like this one. She's upset that the color's blurred, but I think it looks kind of cool that they did. Back doesn't look too bad either. It's acceptable. Looks pretty good. Good striation all the way up. But yeah, I don't know. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.